Hello fellow chartists, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and today, what a very interesting day. Let's take a look at the VIX real quick, okay? We got the VIX had a green day. So if the VIX had a green day, what does that mean? That means the SPY had a red day. They both inverse each other if you guys didn't already know, but if you've been my subscriber for a while, you should know that already. If you didn't, now you know. Okay guys, now take a look at the VIX, all right? I want you guys to pay attention to this white line. Yes, the VIX closed above the 5-day moving average, okay? Which is a bullish move, okay? You see this purple trend line? Boom. Got that possible higher low, all right? So I'm going to be watching that trend line very carefully. If we break it down, which is around 1630, bullish for the SPY, okay? If it continues to hold and continue to creep up, not a good sign for the bulls if you're a bull for the SPY, okay? Now, all my Discord members, I hope you guys are listening. Do not be a bull, do not be a bear, all right? We are scalpers. It doesn't matter which way the SPY goes because you can make money either way, all right? Now, I'm not saying you can't be a bull, you can't be a bear. I'm just saying if the price action says to be a bear, be a bear. If the price action says be a bull, then be a bull. Just don't be biased. All right, no need to argue with your fellow retail traders. That is not what profitable traders do. Don't fight the fight that is not yours. Your fight is within yourself to make sure that you are following the price action. All right, so I want you guys to look at this white line right here. I'll make it a little thicker. Oh, wrong one. Okay, move the moving average. I'm gonna move them. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now you can see a little more clearer. There's still a lot going on, right? Now this white line right here, we had a bunch of touches, and when it broke down, it was right here back in October. We had some false breakouts, a couple of false breakouts. Boom, okay, now remember, when we get a breakdown, we always want to see a retest of where the breakdown level was, right? We had this breakout right here. It was false. When it came back to the retest, it failed. Then up here, because we got another range, the blue lines, as you can see, it was choppy. Got a false breakout, all right? Failed the retest, came down, all right? So we got another breakdown from this white line. Today was one of those days where it looked like it wanted to come retest that breakout line. Did it break out above it? No, it did not yet. So you guys got to pay attention to that tomorrow, okay? You see the VIX above 1736 and it's above that, and it comes back and tests, and you're seeing some support there, some bounces there. Not a good sign for if you're a bull bias SPY trading trader, okay? Gotta learn to play both ways, okay? Don't get too biased to any side. Don't let your ego take over. Don't let your feelings take over, okay? Just follow the price action, all right? So one day close above the 5-day moving average is not enough. I always tell you guys, you want to see multiple closes above a certain support level. That'll give you a sign that we'll see more upside. Now, as far as the price action with SPY goes, you see that purple line, that was a resistant line. If I move this to purple, you will see that it was a triangle pattern. Yesterday we broke out above that. Today it's showing us a false breakout sign, okay? But let's move it back to orange because there's a reason. There's a reason I want to move that back to orange. I know a lot of bears and a lot of concerned traders would mention this double top, all right? Now we move this purple line. We got a new price pattern. What is that price pattern, guys? Tell me, what is that price pattern? Anybody? Anybody? That's right. That is an ascending triangle. An ascending triangle, the last time I checked, was a bullish pattern. Okay, guys? So right now, we also have an inside day trade setup. All right? So we got a lot of patterns. We got a lot of trade setups. This is great. Giving us an opportunity to execute based on a trade setup. Not our feelings, but a trade setup. So the low of the mother candle, this is the mother candle if you guys didn't know. The low of the mother candle is at 47.17. Guess what? And for tomorrow when the market opens, it will be right here, November 18. So not only is this the low of the mother candle, it also happens to be where the support level is of this ascending triangle. Okay? The high of the mother candle is at 470.6. Until SPY breaks above that, we are in consolidation phase. Okay, I wrote that on my Discord, by the way. Okay, not to mention Despite this red day, this red candle, SPY is still trading above all the moving average. In fact, price action is so bearish it didn't even touch the 5-day moving average, which I would have liked to see, but it's okay because tomorrow the SPY needs and will make a decision to the upside or to the to the downside or to the upside. If we go to the downside, if it breaks the low of the mother candle as well as the support of this ascending triangle, I will switch over to being bearish because I don't give a damn whether SPY goes up or whether it goes down. I just want to make money. Not only make money, but be the best price action trader that I can be. And that's the best way, in my opinion, to do it. All right. So tomorrow's support will be 467. You see the SPY close below 467. Change your biasm to the downside. If we see SPY break the mother day candle, which is at 470.6, which also happens to be the ceiling of this ascending triangle, that puts 474 in play. Maybe 473 to 474. I think it'll go to 474. Okay, that's my price target for a bullish scenario. Bearish scenario, my price target is all the way down here, 462 first. And if that doesn't hold, we can go down lower to 457. I will be looking to buy around those levels, okay, guys, to the upside. All right. But like I said, if it breaks that level, 467, change your biasm to the bear side. If it breaks that, change your biasm to the upside, the bullish side. Okay, guys, there's no need to argue with each other. There's no need to worry or be concerned. Keep it simple. It's not rocket science. Just keep it simple. Keep your trading simple. Follow the price action. These are our levels that we need to watch. One more time, 470.6. If we break that, bet to the upside. If we lose 467, bet to the downside. Inside day candle setup as well as an ascending triangle pattern. So we got two patterns, two trades set up in one for us to make the best decision we can tomorrow. So put your biasm to the side and trade this setup so you can make some money. Okay, guys, as far as the VIX go, it didn't fully retested that white line, but like I said, when you get a breakdown, you always want to see confirmation. All right, you always want to see confirmation. Today, the VIX tried to test it to confirm that yes, it's going to go down lower. If it touches this and it gets rejected from there, that is a bullish warning for the SPY. If VIX gets above it and continue to be bullish, that is a bearish warning for the SPY. A lot of you guys already know I do not trade the SPY unless I'm looking at the VIX as well. Okay, guys, now keep in mind what I put for my Discord until SPY closes above 470.6 is still in base mode. I let you guys know support level today was 467.5. How low did the SPY go today? 467.48. So I was 2 cents off. Guess what? If you entered at my support level at 467.5 and rolled it all the way up to 469, you should have made some money today. Don't let greed take over you. But if you're swinging, if you decide to swing a call option or going long or whatever you're doing, just remember these levels that I give you. Okay? Just play it by the price action. There's no need to stress. There's no need to argue. Price action is king. Let it guide you. That's your boss. I'm not your boss. The chartist is not your boss. The price action is your boss. Let it be your boss because the price action is never wrong. You guys understand? Are you guys learning anything from me? If there's anything I want y'all to learn from me, more so than I want you guys to make money, more than I want you guys to make money, I want you guys to understand the art of trading. The price action. P.A. We are PA traders. That's what it means to be a chartist. Okay, guys, if nobody told you, I told you. All right, let's move on to Triple Q. Now, unlike the SPY, Triple Q broke out of this triangle pattern yesterday, and it continued to hold above. As you can see, it went as high as 399.8 today, and it sold off from there. You know, people going to take some profit. No big deal. But guess what? It did not have a false breakout, unlike the SPY. All right. So sometimes if you can't trade the SPY, come and trade the Triple Q. Triple Q can make some money with it. All right. So the level I'm watching for tomorrow, of course, will be 396. That's the breakout level. Below 396, it could come down and test 394. Below 394, I would be very bearish all the way down to the 20-day moving average. The 20 DMA is what I call it. Okay, guys, let the price action guide you. But as long as 396 hold, I will be bullish to the upside with a 404 price target, possibly even 407. Okay, guys, moving on to IWM. I told you guys yesterday, in the triangle pattern, watch out for the breakdown. Okay, so it was at 237. It broke down from 237 all the way down to 235. The low today was 235. So if you waited for that breakdown and rolled it down, you should have made some money today. All right, if not, what you can do for tomorrow is watch for the retest of 237. If IWM is able to recapture 237, buy the recapture and bet to the upside. If it gets rejected at 237, that's a good place to enter a short or maybe a put. Okay, your entries don't have to be perfect. Remember that. You don't make money on the entry, you make money on the exits. All right, that's what I got for IWM. Moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking bearish. It's looking bearish. It broke down from a critical support level, came down, broke a little lower than the 50-day moving average, and it got bought up. Now it's above this critical support level of 59.6. Now, what I want you to pay attention to, I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys before, but there is an area of imbalance on Bitcoin right now, which is this orange zone. If you don't know what an imbalance is, it's based on the candle. This candle right here has too many sell orders. So a lot of times when there is an imbalance, the market makers, they like to come push it up and balance that area out, okay? So 50% is considered filling the imbalance, okay? So right now, we have to watch that 62K price target. If the market maker push it up to 62K and and it gets rejected there, or even up here at 62.6K, and it gets rejected there, which is where the 5 DMA is, that's a bearish sign, and it could go down lower, all right? But if it's able to close above, I say this purple line right here, 62.8, if it closes above like 63K or above, that's a recapture. Buy the recapture. Almost 73K price target. Okay, guys, so that's what I got today for you guys. I hope you get the message. Be a price action trader. It means to let the price action guide you. You gotta figure out your support and resistance level. Those are your equilibrium level, and see what gets taken out and trade accordingly. All right, guys, so good luck for tomorrow. Remember what I said. And Discord members, I will update you guys in the morning. Everybody have a good evening and good luck.